Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I know how it feels when you're learning English and aiming for perfection, worrying about every grammar rule, every pronunciation, afraid of making mistakes. But here's the surprising truth. Even native English speakers mess up all the time, and that's completely normal. In this video, we'll explore the dark side of perfect English with funny real-life examples, famous people's blunders, and common mistakes natives make every day, so you can relax, learn naturally, and speak with more confidence. If you enjoy honest, entertaining stories that make English feel easier, please subscribe. You'll get more videos like this straight to your feed, helping you improve without stress. Ready? Let's dive in. Most English learners think native speakers always speak perfectly. Grammar flawless. Vocabulary endless. Accent smooth. But that's a myth. Natives make mistakes constantly. And the fun part? They don't care. They still communicate perfectly. Let's look at the biggest areas where even natives slip up, with real examples and stories. Mistake Area 1. Grammar rules they break daily. Native speakers ignore rules they teach in school. Who versus whom? Most natives say, "Who did you talk to?" Even though textbooks say whom. Irregardless. Not a real word, but millions use it. Literal misuse. I'm literally dying of laughter. Natives say it all the time. Famous example, Taylor Swift in a song. Me and you instead of you and I. Grammatically wrong, but the song was a hit. Or Barack Obama. Between you and I. Presidents do it too. Why? English evolves. Communication matters more than rules. You don't need perfect grammar to sound natural. Natives prove it. Mistake Area 2. Pronunciation chaos. Accents vary wildly. British schedule equals schedule. American equals schedule. Natives mispronounce foreign words. Quesadilla becomes quesadilla. Even common words. Nuclear. George W. Bush said nuclear. Famous slip. Or February. Many skip the first R. February. Arnold Schwarzenegger, famous actor and governor, never lost his thick Austrian accent. I'll be back sounded unique. People loved it. Emma Watson, British star, sometimes mixes accents in interviews. Point. Accent doesn't stop fluency. Natives have messy pronunciation too. Mistake Area 3. Vocabulary mix-ups and malapropisms. Natives confuse words constantly. Ironic, used wrong. It's ironic they won after losing. No, that's coincidence. Enormity means huge evil, but natives use it for enormous. Famous malapropisms. TV hosts saying for all intensive purposes instead of for all intents and purposes. Or nip it in the butt instead of bud. Politicians are gold mines. One said, "We've got to alleviate this situation," meaning worsen. Funny story. A British news anchor said pacifically instead of specifically. Went viral. Natives invent words. Irregardless. Conversate. They still get understood. Mistake Area 4. Slang and idioms gone wrong. Slang changes fast. Older natives use outdated phrases. Burn a CD to young people? Confusing. Or hang up the phone when no one hangs up anymore. Young natives overuse like, "I was like, no way," and he was like, yes. Even professionals. Joe Biden famous for gaffes, mixed sentences, wrong names. Still president. Mistake Area 5. Spelling disasters. Natives terrible spellers. Your versus your. There. Social media full of definitely a lot, loose instead of lose. Teachers complain. Students spell worse because texting. But spoken English? Fine. Real stories of famous native speaker mistakes. George W. Bush, Bushisms, they misunderestimated me. Fool me once, won't get fooled again. People laughed, but he was president twice. Taylor Swift lyrics, grammar slips for rhythm. Ed Sheeran interviews, filler words like you know everywhere. Tom Cruise, strong accent in some words. Even Shakespeare invented words. Natives always been language. Why this matters for you. You worry about mistakes. Natives don't. They focus on message. You should too. Make mistakes. Laugh. Keep talking. Fluency comes from use, not perfection. Next time you speak, relax. Native speakers aren't perfect, and they're fluent. You will be too. Thank you for watching. These examples show English is messy and human. Embrace it. Subscribe for more real, fun ways to improve. See you next time. Speak freely today.